So I messed up. Okay, in order to get a measurement of a return, I measure in a straight line from the back of the gutter to wherever the downspout is gonna hit the wall, right? Back of gutter to wall. In a straight line, right? Measure. So the measurement came to 13.5. Subtract 5 inches. So that means it's 10.5 inches. Okay. So there's that. Now I'm gonna show you how I get the measurement for this. So you measure from basically the strap, wherever it's gonna terminate, right? And then subtract 6 inches for the elbow at the bottom. So that came out to 6'6". So easy math, 6 feet. Okay. So measure 6 feet. Okay. Boom. Measure. Get to show you up close and personal how you use right bands for that. So it's cool about these, you can do a straight line, boom, 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 boom. Okay. All my snippings I pick up. I'm gonna keep belaboring this fact, but it is important. Presentation is a big deal. Okay, and just squish the shit out of this. Okay, smash it in there. Boom. Okay. All right, so last elbow. Okay. Okay. Now, if you're new, I would suggest you use the crimps or the needle nose to pry the backs. But I've been doing this a long time. I slide this in right here, okay, and I give this a little squeeze. She pops right in. Boom. Nice and clean. Okay. All right, boom, boom. Now, should have this. One, two. Okay. This one terminates to the ground. There's a little drain right here that it goes into. But regardless, okay, so I always aim my straps to cover up the seams. This is a seam, obviously. Okay. So, but you want to put your level on it, make sure it's perfectly lined up. Nice and okay. Just mark the side right there. It's okay to get a little rough with it because nobody likes to see it. It's not really getting in the way of anything visually. Okay. That's it. Done. That's how you install rain gutters. That's everything you gotta know about rain gutters. The basics. There's more to it. There's a lot of finesse involved, but that's it.